Nou, die Pick n Pay August is letterlik net om die draai en ons eie Leggy Blond Liesel gaan bietjie fietsdrap op die Pick n Pay Like Bike. Dit is hierdie awesome fiets wat hier so langs my is. Nou, dit is 'n absolute briljante inisiatief deur Pick n Pay waar vir elke 10 km wat Liesel ry, skenk Pick n Pay 'n fiets aan die Velokaya Life Cycle Academy. So kom ons gaan vind so 'n bietjie meer uit oor die Like Bike en hoe dit werk en wat Liesel sover gedoen het om voor te berei vir hierdie fantastiese fietswedren.
Great value is more than just a great price. That's why this segment is brought to you by Pick n Pay.
It's up to you to help Liesel complete the Pick n Pay Cape Argus cycle tour. She'll be riding a custom-fitted Techno Wonder bike that will be powered entirely by social media.
We have quite an active community on Facebook, and we really wanted to give back to them and give them something quite fun and engaging and get them liking and supporting the cycle tour. We decided to go with this Like Bike concept because it'll bring the actual event to people, so no matter if you're not there on the actual day, you'll be able to sit at home and see where Liesel is on the actual race day. We just love Liesel. She's fun, exciting, outgoing. She's very sporty as well. She'll do the cycle tour with no problem. So it was just a perfect fit for us. It just made sense to have Liesel riding the Like Bike.
Liesel completed the Ironman in 2010 and the grueling Unlimited Doozy Canoe Marathon earlier this year. This will also be the second time she takes part in the cycle race.
Well, I'm a very social cycler. I cycle everywhere in Cape Town. Whenever I need to go and do shopping, I quickly cycle to the shop, do my shopping. I cycle to see friends, even cycle to business meetings. Like, people are so used to seeing me in my cycle kit. And when I received the call from Pick n Pay to attend a meeting for a presentation on the Like Bike, before the presentation was even finished, I said, yes, I want to be involved. Because it doesn't only have a social responsibility aspect to it, that Pick n Pay is always very good at, it's also got a social media aspect to it as well. So it's combining the two social aspects of the world. What better way to get involved with Pick n Pay, with the cycle tour, and giving back to the community as well.
For every 10-kilometer Liesel rides, Pick n Pay will donate one bicycle to the Velokaya Life Cycling Academy that introduces the sport of cycling to disadvantaged communities.
Well, apart from all her outdoor cycling, we did a lot of indoor work, including the stationary spinning bike that we use. We use that for conditioning both her speed and her climbing by adjusting the resistance, obviously. It's a much more controlled environment where I can actually make sure she's doing it perfectly, right? She loves me for that. And then we also went and did functional and core stability work. Obviously, when you're riding and you're sitting in a position for so long, it does tax the low back. There's a lot of inner thigh that gets abused. A lot of core stability needs to be incorporated in order to help you. It's not just about legs, it's not just about the endurance and aerobic training. Obviously, the body is a machine that works as one unit, so we counteracted all the different stresses you put on the body in a ride by strengthening the whole body.
On race day, Liesel may ride 10 meters for every fan that feels the bike by clicking like. She will need 11,000 likes to complete the event.
Now, everyone knows that the cycle tour isn't only about the person that finishes first or the top 10 athletes. There's 40,000 athletes out on the field that day, and for me it's about interacting with all the cyclists. I'm a very social person myself, so whenever I do a race, people laugh and they say, you come last because you talk too much. But you know what, I have the most fun out there. It's nice to be part of this project and to get everyone involved. There's a social aspect for cyclists as well, where they can get their status updates through the Like Bike page, and it'll be done automatically for them on race day. I think it's going to be a fun campaign, a fun initiative, and I also like the social responsibility side of it.
Follow Liesel's progress in real time on Pick n Pay's website and their Facebook page during the race on Sunday, and help power her towards the finishing line.
Wow, dit is nogal interessant. Ek kan sien sy het hard geoefen.
Sy het definitief hard geoefen.
Ja.
Maar weet jy wat? You know, like, I need a bit of fuel. I had jungle oats so far and had a yogurt, and I'm still hungry. So the same way I need fuel, you need to fuel Liesel's bike as well.
Net so in goeie Afrikaans, jy kan vir Liesel gas gee om hierdie Pick n Pay Cape August klaar te maak deur haar te help op die Facebook of deur sosiale media. So hoe dit werk is, wat jy moet doen in die eerste plek is om na die Pick n Pay Facebook bladsy toe te gaan. So al wat jy moet doen is sommer daar bo intik as jy by facebook.com/Pick n Pay. So dis sommer daar opkom.
Pick n Pay daarbo.
Presies.
Okay.
So dit is die eerste stap. Dan kom jy by die Pick n Pay bladsy. En dan sê jy sien as jy nog nie gelike het nie, moet dit eers gaan like want hierdie is die application. Nou as jy by die wall of soos hulle sê die Facebook wall kom van Pick n Pay, moet jy net gaan kyk hierso is 'n tab hierso wat sê Pick n Pay like bike. En dit is waar jy gaan klik, dan kom jy by hierdie application uit. So wat jy moet gaan doen is jy moet dit nou eers gaan like. So daar gaan ons nou want hulle sê like your page to get started. So ons het dit nou gaan like. So daar het jy nou die hele application. So wat hulle nou hierso sê, hulle verduidelik vir jou stap vir stap hoe dit werk. So hoe dit werk is vir 1 like, kan sy hoe ver ry?
Sy moet dan ry sy 10 meter.
10 meter vir 1 like. Okay. So wat ons gaan doen is ons gaan nou get started. Nou sê en dan kan jy sien hierso, hoe ver mag sy nou al ry deur al die likes wat jy nou al geklik het. So ver kan sy ry 37.65 km. Okay. So hierso sê is 'n groot plus tekentjie wat sê click to fuel en dit is wat ons nou gaan doen. Ons gaan dit klik. En dan sê dit thank you en dan kan jy sien daardie getal het nou opgegaan 37.66 kilometer kan sy nou ry. So elke keer as jy gaan klik en like kan sy verder en verder ry. So ons het min of meer 11,000 likes nodig om die 110 km te voltooi. En dan is hierso ook 'n kaart om te sien, dan kan jy sien waar presies sy is en hoe ver sy al mag ry. En wat so die Pick n Pay like bike baie uniek maak is dat sy 'n iPad op die fiets het.
Op die fiets het, ja.
So jy kan met haar gesels deur vir haar tweets te stuur ensovoorts en al wat jy hoef te doen is om die hashtag te gebruik Pick n Pay like bike. Daarso kan jy sien dit sê hulle verduidelik vir jou alles baie mooi hierso. Hashtag Pick n Pay like bike en dan kan jy vir haar tweet also en sy sal vir jou gedurende wat sy ry sal sy vir jou presies vertel waar sy is, hoe gaan dit, hoe seer is haar bene en dan gaan sy vir jou sê like want sy wil klaar maak.
Al daai lekker goed. Sjoe, jy en jy het vir my definitief nou gewys hoe ek dit moet doen. So julle moet dit by die huis doen ook. So kry vir jouself, jou familie en jou vriende en almal sommer bymekaar en begin om daai bladsy te like. En nou gaan ons nou uitvind, ons het die jazz art dansers hierso by ons and of course something brand new that's coming up that I think Katlego is going to be telling us a little bit more about.
Will Liesel make it to the finish line? It's up to you. Log on now and like this button.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.